Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Pinto Cuisine. And today's video I'm going to show how to make crispy chicken fingers. This is kids enjoy this recipe, so watch the video carefully. You can make this at home and enjoy this recipe with your kids. So for that what I have taken is boneless chicken, which is 500 grams. I have cut them in strips. Now we need to marinate this and keep. For that I have taken onion powder, half a teaspoon, garlic powder, half a teaspoon. Then I have hot sauce, 2 tablespoons. Also I have half a cup of milk and 1 egg, whole egg. Pepper powder is to taste and salt. Now this, we need to mix this properly. Guys, check this out, this is already mixed now. Now what you have to do is cover this and keep it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours. You can keep it overnight, it will be better. Guys, check this out, this I have kept it in the refrigerator for overnight, and the chicken is well marinated. And now I'm going to strain this by putting it in a strainer and remove all the excess marination from this. And I'm going to show what all other ingredients what we need in order to dust this. So now what we also need is, I've taken flour, which is all purpose flour, 1 cup, and then I have half cup of corn flour. We also need rice flour, which is 2 tablespoons, and then I've taken cornflakes, which are crushed and kept it. So we're gonna mix this. What we also need is salt. Actually, remember we have already added salt to the chicken. Now this is for the flour, and we also need pepper powder. So this I'm going to mix it, all the ingredients. For that you need a bigger plate or a bigger tray. And now I'm going to dust this chicken in this. So now we have the flour ready to dust, and we have also strained and kept the chicken. So now I'm going to dust the chicken in this. What you have to do is dust the chicken properly and keep it on the side. This is how you have to do, and you dust all the chicken and keep it on the side one by one. And what is more important is, before you deep fry them, you have to dust it again, the second coating. This is how you have to do. So guys, check this out, my oil is already hot now. Now I'm going to double coat this and I will deep fry. This is the first batch. Like this, you double coat nicely and keep it on the side. This is how you have to crumb. Now you need to turn them up, mix them properly. Check out this chicken. This is already looking delicious. Check this out. With the cornstarch, corn flour and rice flour, it becomes very crispy. Guys, check this out. This already nice and golden brown in color and already crispy. So now I'm going to remove this and keep it on the side. So let the oil drain. There you go. So now let's start with the second batch. I check this out. This is the second batch is also ready now. Nice and crisp in golden brown in color. This is how crispy chicken has been made. Now this is ready to fry. I check out the final product. This is how it should be. Nice and crispy. This is how crispy chicken has been made. Try this recipe out. You're gonna love this. Your kids will enjoy this recipe, and they will ask you to make it again and again. So follow each and every step, and please do give me a feedback on the YouTube comment section, and share it with your friends and family so that they also know how to make crispy chicken fingers. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much.